are the best for drying.
Make sure the baskets are full before noon.
That should be enough for this one.
Okay, careful, it's heavy.
$42, 28. 35 kilograms.
All right, seals are good. Everything is in order. You can proceed to the loading bay.
Thank you, officer.
Back, steady!
Bricks levels look good? Approved. Start the unloading process, gentlemen.
Clear left.
Ready to lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, moving it now.
Bruce here, reject.
Good. Discard.
Good.
Green light on chamber 1, loading complete.
Roger that. Initiating stage 2 dry cycle now.
Moisture content 14.8%. Texture is pliable. Approved for coating.
Discharge complete.
Rework needed. Code 7-A.
17, 18, 19, 20. Total count is 25.
Texture is flexible, good moisture, very sweet with a balanced tangy flavor profile.
Warehouse, this is quality control.
The dried mango shipment, batch 45B, is approved for export.
You are clear to move the pallets to the shipping area.
Control, pallet 247 is approved for the chill zone.
Picking team, new assignment for the dried mango export. Head to locations B07 through B12. Dock 3 is reserved.
B07 picked, moving to B08.
Verifying the B07 run now. Everything here matches the manifest.
Confirmed, we are clear to load.
Warehouse, this is shipping.
Pallet count confirmed, batch numbers match. Inspection complete, approved for loading. Bring the container in.
All right, hold it right there. Push it forward easy now. Everything is secured tightly.
Inspection complete for shipment 74B. 10 pallets, 480 cases of premium dried mango confirmed. Load bars secured and tension checked.
The seal number is C7823641.
Verified. Marking the documents now.
All markings verified. Container CBHU 45678893 cleared for Hamburg. You are good to go. Dispatch, this is security. Truck 3D4B is clear. Central, this is gate 2. Container C7823641 cleared.
All right, ma'am, everything is in order. You are cleared to proceed.
Bring it back slowly. You're clear on the left. Watch the reefer connection. Okay, set the brakes and drop the pins.
Okay, bring the mango container to Bay 4 immediately.
Roger that. Bay 4 confirmed for the Pacific carrier. Control, this is Crane 12. Lift coordinates confirmed for hold 4. Proceeding with drop. Over.
Secure! Even the slack.
Ready to cast off.
Cast off forward. Slow astern.
MD Pacific carrier reporting position, proceeding as planned. ETA Hamburg remains Zulu time 0600.
Fertig zum Belegen. Steuerbord.
Ja, alles fest. Nächste Leine klar. Behälter C778-283-641 ist gesichert. Kannst du anheben?
Ja, verstanden. Langsam hoch damit.
Die Temperatur passt, 12 Grad. Und das Siegel C778233641 ist auch intakt.
Alles klar, die Papiere stimmen überein. Freigabe erteilt. Chef, die Mangos sind angekommen. Alles in Ordnung laut Scanner.
Ausgezeichnet. Beginnen Sie sofort mit der Qualitätskontrolle.
The quality is excellent and meets all import standards. Release the shipment for distribution.
We need the mango shipment ready for the truck to Paris.
Copy that. Wrapping the final pallet now.
Okay, manifest shows 40 cases of the mango.
Got it. Heading to aisle 3 now.